Look at you two bonding, making us late for the airport, so...
Are you all right? Oh, it's fine, it's fine. It's just us getting along is difficult for us.
Hi.
Hi.
So, Emily just went to the airport.
Oh, why didn't you take her?
Her uncle had already planned on doing it.
Okay, good luck.
Ross, if you're going to the airport, can you pick me up another one of those Toblerone bars?
I figured out a way to make money.
Not on the board.
That's what it says here. Flight 421 leaves at 8:40, Newark Airport.
What?
Newark Airport.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word airport. It means a tract of land or water with facilities for the landing, takeoff, shelter, supply, and repair of aircraft, especially one used for receiving or discharging passengers and cargo at regularly scheduled times. Also means a porthole designed to be open to the outside air. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce airport, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to air. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how airport is used in real life.
Bring one! Put my cab's downstairs, I'll drive it to the airport.
Hey guys, wish me luck.
Ross, if you're going to the airport...
If we were at the right airport.
Yay!
That's what it says here. Flight 421 leaves at 8:40, Newark Airport.
What?
You've got like 14 hours until she has to be at the airport.
Go to the airport. I figure if I hang around there long enough,
14 hours until she has to be at the airport. And you're...
I should go too. Oh, now, tomorrow, do you guys want to share a cab to the airport, or should Mike and I just meet you there?
Making us late for the airport, so...
Are you all right? Oh, it's fine.
Emily showed up at the airport.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.